Okay, welcome to the channel everybody. This is my Polish Army swag that I got from Military Mart, £15. It's the swag bedroll and this is just a simple hack that I've come up with to improve on the comfortability of the pillow section. This is the pillow section here, and this was full of really horrible stuff, really lumpy. It was like mohair, really uncomfortable, and like I say, dead lumpy. So what I decided to do was remove that and come up with another solution. This is where you would put your bedroll. I'll come back to that later on in the video, but I want to concentrate on the pillow area. So what I did, I unstitched it all, and then I passed it over to a good friend of mine. Thanks Joe for doing this. Big shout out to Daisy Makes, and she's put some stitched some Velcro in for me, which has created this this pocket now. This is where all the horrible stuff was inside. That's all been removed, and now I can use. I've got this pillow, inflatable pillow, but you can choose whatever you want. And you can open up the little pocket, stuff your pillow in, fasten up the Velcro, and you're good to go. That gives you a nice pillow there now, nice and comfortable. You could put a wider piece in if you want, just put whatever you like in there. I just happen to have this inflatable pillow. And then when you're ready for packing away, you just undo the Velcro, remove your pillow. I mean, you could deflate the pillow and just leave it in situ, but then once it's rolled up, it's a nice, flat, compact as it can be with it being canvas. So it's miles better, because that lumpy pillow really did make it bulky when you folded it up. So like I say, that's where you'll put your bedroll. I'm going to show you that now. It is padded, the bedroll, but having an extra sort of mat in there just gives it an extra bit of comfort. So this is my Dutch Army inflatable mattress, and I've got the flex tail pump, which I've recently purchased. This is really good. USB chargeable. You can inflate and deflate with this. So we can just attach that to the nozzle on the Dutch Army inflatable mattress, undo the valve, that just pops on there, switch it on again, and away we go. We're off. Once that's fully inflated, just close the valve, and then that can slide inside the little pocket where the bedroll fits. Now the Polish swag bedroll is only 3/4 length, and the Dutch Army bedroll is full length, more or less. So what I do is I just fold that over, tuck it in, and that in itself creates not a bad pillow, but it all depends on how you like your pillow comfortability. So then you can pop the pillow back in its little pocket. I have got the pillow really well inflated there, but everybody's different. Fasten up the Velcro. Look at that, lovely and comfy now. But if that's a little bit too big for you, you can just pop it out. The pillow, that is. Undo the valve, just let a bit of air out, and then pop it back in. Fasten it back up again, then you're good to go. And then you just need to fasten up the pocket for the bedroll, fasten up the tassels, very much like when you're closing up a Niger patrol tent, for those of you that have used one of those before. Or the Icelandics, they've got a similar system for fastening up the doors. I learned how to do that at an early age when I was in the Cubs and Scouts. And then get your head down, ready for bed. Beauty. And then you can just remove the pillow, or like I said earlier, you could just deflate it and leave it in situ, fasten the Velcro back up, and then you just need to undo, release the valve when you're striking camp, and just let all the air out. Just rolling it back up, pushing all the air out. There's two ways of folding this bedroll up. You can just roll it like that if you want, or you can sort of fold it rather than rolling it. Depends how you want to pack it away, really. No more bulky pillow now, that's all gone. Get that last bit of air out. And close the valve. And it's just a case of tucking that back in and then redoing the tassels. You don't have to do that really, but just for neatness, just tie it off. It's all nice and neat. And then bring the straps over and get it all fastened back up, ready for either putting on in your pack, or on your pack, or under your pack, or just chuck it in the back of your Land Rover, whichever you want to do. And there we go, that's it. That's my little hack for the Polish Army swag bedroll. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.